So our last truck brought 4 yards, so a total of 24 yards. Looks like they'll use every bit of it. They're finishing up the control joints here. It's looking really nice now with the control joint. Check that out. See how beautiful that looks? Oh yeah. That's going to be a nice room finish. Looking really sharp. There's Eggy driving truck number 2944, one of my buddies. He's the actual guy that came to my house and did my walkway in the front of my house that I sold. And I asked him, hey, are they hiring at IMI? He said, hey, yeah, they're looking for like 10 drivers. So I went over there and applied. The next day they gave me the job. They knew I had experience with driving the semi-trucks. Plus I own a restaurant for 25 years, so they knew I wasn't gonna be one of those workers that don't show up to work. But Eggy's the one that came and did my job at my house. Came with 4 yards, did the work, and the next day I got hired on by IMI. Worked for them for 4.5 years. But those control joints look really nice. Folks, this is my last day here in Louisville, Kentucky. I fly out tomorrow, which is August 25th at almost 8 a.m. when the flight leaves. I'm going to the Philippines, Manila, Philippines. So I wanted to get the job done before I left. I wanted to see it done because it was my company that I worked for that brought the concrete. And this is Eggy right here, folks. He's the one that got me working for IMI.
Oh, did?
Yeah. He came and dropped the load, and we were talking, and I said, hey, they hiring? And he said, about 10 or more drivers. The next day I was hired on, folks.
Miss you, old one.
I don't miss you guys.
No?
I do you guys, but not the fucking bullshit. Alright.
Just a little bit, he said.
Alright, brother. There's the last truck. Take care, bro. Send me a text, man. There's the last truck, 2944. There's Juan's new car, or my old car, his new car, but my old car, Alfa Romero. All this work is being done for that car, folks. $15,000 for this concrete job, and Juan spent another almost $6,000 for that shed, for the carport. So you're looking at a $21,000. Look how beautiful that's starting to look. They got the expansion joints over there, looking real sharp. All right, folks, take care. Hasta la vista.